Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your account on Amplify HR. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in Amplify HR login. And as the search result, you can see on the first option, Login Amplify platform. Click on the link. It will take you to the login portal for your Amplify account. Over here, enter the email address of your account. Once you do that, click on next button. You will be redirected to the password section and over there enter the password of your account and click on login button. You will be logged into your Amplify account. And in case if you guys face any issues while signing in, you can click here need help signing in. So this much for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.